Ever gaze upon your garden and wonder how you could make it even more enchanting? Welcome to the world of sensory gardens, a delightful concept that engages all five senses, enhancing mindfulness and relaxation. If you're intrigued and eager to transform your garden into a sensory haven, stick around. We have a step-by-step guide just for you. Creating a sensory garden is a fun and rewarding project. Here's how you can get started. First, location is key. Pick a spot that gets a good mix of sun and shade throughout the day. This will ensure a diverse range of plants can thrive. Next, it's time to choose your plants. For sight, think of a rainbow and incorporate plants of various colors. You might opt for fiery red roses, sunny marigolds, or cool blue hydrangeas. Then, for smell, aromatic herbs like rosemary and thyme or fragrant flowers such as jasmine and lavender can be perfect choices. Touch is often overlooked in gardens, but there are many plants with unique textures. Consider fuzzy lamb's ear, rough bark, or even the smooth surface of a succulent. Taste is an exciting aspect of a sensory garden. Edible plants like strawberries, tomatoes, and herbs not only offer fresh produce but also an interactive experience. Lastly, for hearing, think about the sound of rustling leaves or grasses. Plants like bamboo or ornamental grasses can create soothing sounds when the wind blows. When arranging your plants, consider their height, color, and the time of year they bloom to ensure a continuous sensory experience. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a sensory garden that can truly be a feast for your senses. Now that you know how to create a sensory garden, it's time to put your green thumbs to work. Embrace the joy of engaging your senses with nature. Share your gardening journey with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!